People running tops. I love it. Perfumes are right here, and then this. Hi lovies, welcome to today's vlog. It is a little bit later in the day because I got off work. I went and got my nails done. As you guys can tell, you can't really see the color that well on camera right now. It looks super neutral when it's like actually pink. I think you saw it better in the clip. I am going to pop into Starbucks, get my little post-work grande that I've really been liking lately, and then I'm gonna try to go home and get a good little run and walk in. So I'm really excited to have a really productive evening, and then we'll see what else I have going on. Okay, this is the best effing coffee. Oh my god, that tastes so good today. Also, you can kind of see the color of my nails a little bit better. It's kind of just giving like ballerina slipper vibe. I'm really digging it. Okay, I'm losing sunlight, so I need to show you guys this really quick before I get dressed on my run. But I got a little gift today from my principal. I wanted to show you guys because I thought it was really cute. Bag, and it says, in my engaged era. She got this for me and one of my best friends, Megan, because we both got engaged recently. And then that bag came with a little box, and this box has some cute stuff in it. It's got a little candle, and I've gotten a couple of these as engagement gifts. It's like a little candle that says, oh my god, you're engaged on it. Really cute, good to have. And then this little bag, you can't go wrong with little toiletry bags. So it says Future Miss, cutesy. And then there's this cup that honestly I needed a new one of, because last time I had a cup with this wooden lid, it literally like molded, but it has like the ring finger up, and it says Future Miss on it, and it came with a straw and a straw cleaner. That was really sweet and thoughtful. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. But like I said, it is getting, what am I trying to say? It's getting, the sun's going down. So I need to go ahead and make sure that I am getting my running stuff on, at least gonna get 1.5 miles in. So let's go do that. Okay, here's the running fit. You guys have seen this long sleeves top before. This is my Free People running tops. I love it. I just have some, God, I don't even know what brand, leggings on, and then I'm gonna get my shoes and stuff on, but just super quick little running fit. Guys, I'm in our little yoga room filming on my phone. I look insane because of my hair, but I got that run done. I got 2 miles in. It was really hard because it is really windy, and obviously like had to switch directions here and there. So I know I'm like filming like somebody's mother right now, but it's because I'm trying to get a good light. But I'm doing some stretches, just like making sure I don't feel terrible tomorrow morning when I wake up, because my legs are gonna hurt really bad because it's cold. And then I'll head back upstairs.
That's what I did.
Such good vibes in here. Okay guys, totally making like when you have nothing left in your pantry kind of dinner. Like, we have not been to the grocery store. Andrew and I have been so busy. This is from Aldi. I normally do not love a boxed rice, but this one's really not bad. If you guys don't shop at Aldi, like everything's pretty solid in terms of the macros. I'd say the worst thing is the sodium, but I don't plan on having the entire box, so I think we're good. And it's giving you the macros versus packaged and then as prepared, which would account for it asking you to add canola oil, which I do not add that to the water. I might do like a little dash of olive oil, but that's really about it. I don't really cook anything else in my rice. So everything that's in here, the serving size I'll have will be no more than 200 calories worth. I like to do some green beans. I literally call this like a total like gym bro pilgrim bowl, like throwing a canned veggie, or if I had fresh veggies, I've done this with fresh veggies. I don't have any more beef, but I do have those Just Bare chicken tenders, so I will throw some like bang bang sauce in a bowl, add this, add some like banana peppers or like whatever pickled onions, and it's so freaking cheap, and these are just good things to always have in your pantry. So it's what me and Andrew are gonna do today. We're gonna go to the grocery store tomorrow, and like we literally have to because we clearly have zero food left. I'm also going to be, I'm going to be making another electrolyte drink because I feel like I did not drink a lot of water today. I barely got through my Hydro Flask, and that doesn't sit well with me. So I'm gonna put another cure in some water. Love me some cures. They aren't like super, super high electrolyte count. They're kind of just like a normal daily electrolyte, which I personally like because you can really overdo it, but I like these, and they are a woman-owned business, and they are HSA, FSA certified, so my health savings account to purchase these, because the bad thing about more of those electrolytes that like runners like to use is they are very expensive. So I'm gonna mix more of this up with another thing of water and ice, sip on this, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit of packaging of some Christmas stuff. So I'm excited for that. I need to do it because Andrew's gone. So you guys get to come with me. I have the spread down here, some tissue paper from last year, and then I got these today from Dollar Tree. First thing I'm going to pack, let me see if I can get you guys like at a good. I got Andrew this Lululemon men's just like long sleeve. It's got UV protection. It has the little Lulu symbol right there. I don't even know if you guys can see it. It's very bland, very plain Jane, but this is a Logo Sport long sleeve half zip, and it's the new Fairway favorite. So this is a golf thing for him. He put on his list, he wanted some stuff for golf. So there we go, and I asked him what colors of golf attire does he feel like he doesn't have enough of, and the first color he said was white. So we are gonna get him, well, we did get him, but got him something white. And honestly, I didn't need to get these big boxes. I remember looking at like the smaller ones thinking I couldn't get those because they were too small, but oh well. I might keep this one unwrapped actually, so I can maybe fit like something else in here, clothing wise. Do we like the snowman or the Santa? I kind of like the snowman better, so we're gonna use the snowman. Love, 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 love these boxes from Dollar Tree. I know I could easily just like wrap what I got him, but I just love having like the effect. I think my mom really instilled that in me, just like always having like cute wrapping and setup. So that's something I always look forward to doing for all my friends and family. Cute. Have the little Lulu tag so he knows he's spoiled. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And then just do a little wrap. And then I'm gonna take a green one, and then you just like tuck it. Okay, doesn't look the best, but it's for the effect. Okay, babes, next thing I got Andrew is this thing from Amazon. So Bean gets a little box. It is like a cologne holder kinda. It's like a little stand, but it's black acrylic, and I think you'd have to put it together. I'm just gonna take like one little piece out, but you just put this acrylic together. It was like really, really cheap off Amazon, but it had solid reviews. It looks really cute, and I wanted to give him something better to put his cologne on so that he has it like displayed, and I just thought that'd be kind of cutesy. Something he'd never ask for, probably doesn't necessarily care about, but I still think it's really cute. So I'm gonna wrap this, and oh my god, guys, are you seeing this? Bean loves a box. He loves the box. I also have been wanting to do this project for at least a couple weeks. I originally moved my vanity that you guys see like every time I film over here was originally on this wall to my left, and the reason why I don't really have it over there anymore was because I felt like I could have utilized the space better, but also because this is my 2025 vision board, and Bean would constantly jump on this and get to that, or he would jump on the desk and get to the vision board, and there's literally scratches in my vision board from this man right here. So here's my solution. I want to move my desk back, but not only do I want to do that because I miss like having my desk on a wall, because it just always, it felt bigger. It felt like I could hang things and have it there. I've been wanting to do this, and I just did a partnership with Decenio. My third partnership with them ever, and it was on my Instagram, so I got to order some frames and prints, and I love them. For 2026, I'm gonna be putting my vision board in this frame. It's a really cute oak, it's an oak wood frame. So then I feel like I can move my desk back to this wall and have this wall as my desk wall again. It just makes the room feel bigger. It just feels really choppy right now because this room is split in half. Essentially, this side's Andrew's, where his desk and his man stuff are at, and then this is all like my little beauty area. And it's just so disorganized, and it's been like that for a while. Every time I clean it up, it gets messy again. So we are going to rearrange this. Why I want to do this at 7:30 at night on a Tuesday, who effing knows. Clearly that grande I got earlier is kicking in because I'm in one of those modes. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I think I'll wait a little bit. I don't like jumping on the train of the 2026 reset stuff. I also feel so strongly about that because I feel like so many influencers, like, they BS their glow up series, and like I made 2 very genuine glow up videos last year. Please go watch them. And I'm struggling planning my ones for 2026 because I don't want to just follow trends and give you like bullshit. But you guys are going to see me make my vision board. So it's going to be 10 times bigger, which I honestly effing love. So I'm kind of organizing it into quadrants, and then what's going to be in the middle. So like current habits, new habits, and then I want to pick like fitness or running, because that's just like part of something that I want to do like all the time. Like, I am not me without working out. And then maybe like food or home inspiration. I'm not too sure. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get started on rearranging. So here's a quick before. All these shoes and things like that, they're gonna need to go. And this is just gonna look, this bookshelf is gonna look so much better. Just a quick before. Guys, I got all the stuff off the wall. Hot mess now, but I'm taking a dinner break. And what's gonna happen is this shelf will sit over here, and then this desk will fit right back into this area. And it's gonna look so much better. It's how I always originally had it, and it just opens up this space so much more, and I can make this a cute space again, because I bought this bookshelf specifically to make it cute and hold like my running things and just be like cutesy with my perfumes and remind me of my childhood and my collection of magazines and things like that. So we have some work to do. Okay, we're making immense progress here. So let me just show you guys what's going on. So I moved the bookshelf over here. Pink lamp is back in the corner. Desk is here. So you can just tell like how much bigger of a space this already looks, and it just looks cute and girly and fresh. And I'm not much of a pink decorator in my home besides in my beauty area. So my vision is eventually I want a different mirror. This one's cracked. Unfortunately, Bean knocked it over. Of course, could you have guessed? And then I reorganized up here. So this was holding my products for a while on my desk, but I just need to like be more organized and have them like setting there. I don't need to do a whole deal. Okay, I have all my like super cool vintagey Playboys that I'm obsessed with, and then I have my Hailey Bieber Vogue on top. Perfumes are right here, and then this is just another blank frame I have from Decenio that I'm putting right here for now because I'm gonna probably put some more pictures in there or anything left over from my vision board. Okay, so much progress. So gonna have to find a system. I almost picked up some clear acrylic containers from Dollar Tree today when I was getting my Christmas packing stuff, but I need something to hold these products. The issue is that this, and this are like never on my desk besides on weekdays when I get ready in the morning, because these are like my skin prep items. These are just things that like if I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna need like my sunscreen, my setting sprays, and then this is like my face spray that I use after I go on a run. Good thing is I got this all organized, and I also cleaned out this basket. There was like a pile of just BS I don't use. I've got all my makeup brushes back out here. These are extra products. This is like extra Corsics, sunscreen or after sun from summer, and then some castor oil, which I don't know why I'm not using that. Like, I used to be so religious about using my castor oil. You can tell there's like barely any in there. So especially now that I'm not putting lash clusters on, I'm gonna get back on my castor oil game. Also, you guys can really see my nails. They look so cute. Found this. This is like a book I took from our library at school because they were getting rid of it. I just thought it was beautiful, and it reminded me of all the gowns in the early 90s and 2000s because that's when this was made, and really random. I just love it, and I don't know if I ever told you guys this story, but I used to think I wanted to be a wedding dress designer. Maybe sometime in life I will be, but I really wanted to be a wedding dress designer. I just was really bad at sewing, but I would draw designs. This is fucking gorgeous. I would draw designs like every single day, and I had books and books, sketchbooks full of gowns, and I was like obsessed with it. And when I tried to get into sewing, I sucked. This is beautiful. It's just so crazy to see how much of this has came back into style. Like, so crazy. Oh my gosh. I love, and me being in my bridal era right now is loving this. But yeah, I just think this book is beautiful, and I kind of just want to like keep it right here. I might end up using it as like a coffee table book, but I am so effing excited to get this mirror replaced and get my vision board made for the new year. It's gonna look so good up here. Okay, just another look at everything. And then, like I said, I knew I was gonna find my vision board pictures that I print out, but I'm gonna go through these and see which ones I can find that I think I can use for my vision board for this year, so that I'm not like printing out the same things from Pinterest. Okay, there wasn't really as many as I thought in there. These couple are not that bad, and these I think came out of that same pack. So at least there's a few, and I'm definitely gonna recycle some of the ones on my current vision board. Watched some videos where people are like super against that, but for me, I don't really care because like it's literally what you make it. I'm gonna keep these few.